Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut PC and then put a new background on your video. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. You want to go ahead now and select new project and then drag your video where you want to remove a background from to the timeline. Then you will have your video here. What you want to do is go ahead on the video option and select basic. After that, click remove BG. And then as you can see, there is auto removal. Only human figures can be cut out. So make sure it's a human. If not, then you will need to use custom removal. So I'm just going to select auto removal. And it should remove the background just like that, as you can see. Now, if you want to go ahead and put some other background here, you want to drag that video here on the timeline again. And the first video should be as an overlay, so you want to put it on top. Just drag it like that. And now, as you can see, the video has a new background. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.